Hey friends, this week was packed with theme park updates. We've got new haunted house reveal at Universal, a Cars-inspired land coming to the Magic Kingdom, the Muppets saying goodbye into one ride and taking over another, a brand new lounge opening at EPCOT, and an expansion news for Disneyland. Let's get into it. First up, Halloween Horror Nights just revealed its first house for 2025, and it's a big one. It's Fallout. The post-apocalyptic world of vaults, radiation, and retro chaos is coming to Universal Orlando. Fans are already calling it one of the most anticipated houses of the year, and I'm excited about it. Now let's head to Disney World, where Disney dropped a brand new concept art for a huge expansion in Magic Kingdom. The new land is called Piston Peaks National Park, and it's inspired by planes, fire, and rescue and part of the Cars universe. Here's the big news. The land will actually take over the space currently occupying Tom Sawyer's Island, Rivers of America, and the Liberty Square riverboat. So it's right in front of Big Thunder Mountain, and the concept art shows waterfalls, soaring cliffs, lodge-style buildings. It's not a direct copy of the Cars land in Disneyland, more like a wilderness-themed cousin, and it looks like it'll bring some stunning scenery to Frontierland. And to make room for all that, Disney did confirm that Tom Sawyer Island, Rivers of America, and the Liberty Square riverboat will permanently be closing after July 6th of 2025. This gives you one last month to take one last ride and explore the island. It's bittersweet, but big changes are coming to Magic Kingdom. Another classic said goodbye this week. Muppet Vision 3D at Hollywood Studios is now officially closed as of yesterday. Yesterday was its last showing. The 3D show has been around since the 90s and was packed with classic Muppet humor, and a lot of fans were feeling the nostalgia this week. We are so sad to see it go. But the Muppets aren't going away completely. In fact, they're getting a major upgrade. Disney announced that in 2026, Rock and Roller Coaster will be rethemed to the Muppets. The same thrilling coaster layout, brand new chaotic rock show with the Muppets. This could be one of the most fun rethemes Disney has ever done, and I'm really excited to see how wild it gets. Alright, meanwhile on the West Coast, Disneyland just gave us a sneak peek of the big steps for the Disneyland Forward expansion. It starts this fall with construction on a 6,000 space parking structure, a brand new transportation hub, complete with a pedestrian bridge over Harbor Boulevard. But here's where it gets exciting. Disneyland also confirmed plans for a new Coco-themed ride near Pixar Pier, an Avatar land replacing the current Monsters, Inc. area, and 2 new attractions to expand Avenger Campus. That's a huge set of additions, and we'll be watching closely as it unfolds. Back at Walt Disney World, EPCOT just opened its newest hidden gem, the GO82 Lounge. This is inside Spaceship Earth, and it's a 21-plus lounge with some upscale small plates, plus some seriously elevated cocktails like the Brown Butter Old Fashioned. You can also book a $179 fireworks package that includes champagne, small bites, and stunning view of Luminous, the Symphony of Us. And if you're looking for a grown-up night out in EPCOT, this might be your new go-to. Alright, that wraps up this week's theme park news. If you're loving these weekly updates and want more family travel and theme park guides and trip planning help, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. And let us know in the comments, what are you most excited about? Fallout at HHN? The Muppet Coaster? The new style Cars Land? Or are you here for the cocktails of EPCOT? I'd love to hear from you. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!